everybody listen up.
They don't get no peace.
New York City Police Department.
No peace.
You are blocking vehicular
No
traffic
peace.
in violation of
No
VTL
peace.
1156 and Penal Law 240.
Then they don't get no peace.
If you do not move to the sidewalk, you will be arrested for disorderly conduct. If you will not move to the sidewalk, you will be arrested for disorderly conduct.
So you know what?
Everybody, please, let's go to the sidewalk. Let's go to the sidewalk. Let's go to the sidewalk. Everybody, let's go to the sidewalk.
Sidewalk now.
Go to the sidewalk.
Guys, go to the sidewalk now.
Go to the sidewalk.
Now.
You know there's children in that crowd, right? They're all over the place. So y'all know.
Let's go to the sidewalk. Let's go to the sidewalk.
Look at that shit. Escalating already. Escalating. The officers are escalating this shit. See this shit? Little kids in there, they don't care. Look. You got little kids waving flags. Peacefully protesting. They have a right to. Alright? I don't want to hear that shit, man. Get the fuck out of
Go to the sidewalk. Go to the sidewalk. Sidewalk.
Morris, 10616 is pushing people.
Look. That's crazy.
Sidewalk. You can record just doing it on the sidewalk, boss. Just doing it on the sidewalk.
Sidewalk, boss man.
Yo, what the man? Fucking out, bro. Don't even do it with me, bro. Look at that, there's a little kid over here, man.
Go to the sidewalk.
Thank you very much. That's not the same.
I'm back. Come on, man.
Thank you, sir.
You know what I do, bro, so stop it, bro. Really. All right, you know what I do. Do what you gotta do, bro.
Free